Hi everyone. So this is the 15th day of my 60 days English speaking challenge. My name is Soumya and I am from Jharkhand. So as you all know that I am here just to become very fluent and very good at speaking. Okay. So mainly I want to become a very fluent English speaker. And I started this challenge, this journey to break my hesitation and to express myself very clearly. Okay, and the main purpose behind this challenge is to be consistent and to be disciplined. So I need to upload one video daily. That's why I need to practice every day. So this is how I am consistent from the day first. Okay, and I know there are many people out there just like me who is struggling with speaking English. They can understand English, but when it comes to speaking, they freeze, they become full of fear and they become very nervous. You are not alone. Okay, I think maximum of Indian people are suffering from this problem because our mother language is not English. Okay, we most of the Indians speak another language. So this will be a little tough for us to speak English. You can speak only English when you are from a background where all the people around you speak English from the childhood. Okay, suppose that you are from an English medium school and all the teachers, all the students around you speak English, then definitely you are going to learn English without any practice or without any grammar rules. Okay, but if you are from a background where nobody speak English, there is no people who talks English around you, then it will be a little tough for you to learn English. Okay, and you are not going to learn it by without any practice or without knowing any grammar rules. So you are not alone. A lot of people are struggling with speaking English. Okay, and I am also one of them, and I really trying to improve myself day by day by taking this challenge. And I can't believe this is 15th day of this challenge. I'm really very happy because I have completed my 15 days, and I can really see a big difference in me from the past 15 days. So you are not alone. A lot of people are struggling with English and I am one of them. So if you really want to become very fluent, if you want to speak English, you need to practice. Okay, just practice like whatever you can. Just practice with talking to yourself or with talking to someone else or talking to ChatGPT. Okay, so you can do it by practicing. You can improve your English by converting your environment with full of English. Okay, you need to listen English, you need to watch English. Okay, so mainly you have to do everything in English, and that is how it will be easy to learn English. And if you are struggling, then I can really understand you well, because I am one of them, and I am also in my journey to improve myself, to improve my speaking English and to boost my confidence. Okay, so if you really want to improve your English, then you can definitely join me and be a part of my journey just by subscribing to my channel, and we can learn together, we can make mistakes together, and we can grow together. Okay, so I will just say to you, subscribe to my channel, and if you have not watched my previous video, go and watch it first. And that's it for today. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.